Welcome back to CBS News Detroit at noon. As more and more bills, statements, accounts, media, and documents are moved online, keeping track of your loved ones after they pass can be very difficult. Joining us in studio today to break down digital assets and how to pass them down is our legal analyst, Danielle Mayoris. Thanks for being on with us.
Thanks for having me,
You
Michelle.
are always telling us what we need to know, and we appreciate it. So right off the bat, let's talk about what are digital assets.
It's basically any electronic record that someone has an interest in. So we're talking cell phones, emails, iCloud accounts, but it also covers social media accounts and online banking. So things we're using every single day and don't even stop to think about.
If you are trying to be forward thinking, you want to have a plan in place for your loved ones when you do go, what are some of the first things that you should tackle, cross off the list so that they're squared away?
I always say the first thing clients should do is actually make an inventory of the digital assets. All this information that we have in our mind or saved on our computer with passwords, pins, and usernames, we want to put all that in writing so if something happens to us, our loved ones or a trustee can find that information.
Where do you suggest, because I think naturally the next question is, where do you put that inventory? Because it's got a lot of important information. So where do you trust keeping it in the meantime?
Absolutely. Somewhere safe, obviously. So a fireproof box is a good idea. There's password managers, a hard drive or a thumb drive. But really the key is to tell whoever you want to be able to find that where it is and how to access it. So they do have that information.
A term you see pop up a lot when you're researching this topic is legacy contact. How can you explain that to someone in layman's terms?
A legacy contact, some of the digital assets are doing this now, like iPhone and Facebook. It allows you to go into the settings and actually designate someone that you want to take over that digital asset if something happens to you. The problem is not a lot of digital assets have that option, so it's really important to have language in your estate planning documents to put in writing who is responsible for your digital assets legally if something happens to you.
Any other tips, suggestions, what people can do in terms of digital assets?
Just last minute thing is there's a lot of unusual and unique digital assets out there, so make sure to talk to your attorney about them. Make sure they're covered in your estate plan. Music, literary rights that are digital, so many things that we're using in today's day and age, and just like our traditional assets, those need to be planned for as well.
And you've probably seen the frustration that comes on the back end if these things haven't been done.
Absolutely. I mean, it's something we take for granted. We're always thinking about bank accounts and houses, things along those lines. But some of these things are so critical to actually managing our estate if something happens to us. So I just encourage everyone to talk to their decision makers or family, make sure they dot their I's and cross their T's when it comes to digital assets.
Absolutely. You're already going through the grief, so make the rest of it as simple as possible. Very quickly, where can people go for more information?
Our website at brmmlaw.com.
Perfect. Danielle, thanks so much.
Thank you.